This is the aerial view of the LPG bottling plant. It shows washing unit, carousel, check scales, leak test bath, sealing and capping of cylinders, and finally the loading and dispatching. Empty cylinders are unloaded from trucks and kept on conveyor belts so that they go through several procedural units and get filled and sealed. As the cylinder starts moving, a person keeps an eye on every cylinder to ensure that no damaged cylinder remains on the belt. If he finds a damaged one, he simply lifts it up from the conveyor belt and rejects it. The cylinders then go to the washing unit. This is called the washing unit. Empty cylinders pass through a stream of water, hence cleaning the cylinders by removing mud or dirt from the surface of the cylinders. Few brushes automatically rubs on the cylinder surface, thereby helping in the cleaning procedure. Cleaned cylinders from the washing unit passes on to the carousel. This unit is called the carousel. Here the cylinders get filled by LPG. Two persons closely monitor this filling to ensure the cylinders are properly placed and the nozzles fits into the cylinders properly. Still, sometimes it is observed that some cylinders do not get properly filled due to defects on their valves. These cylinders are manually removed from the rotating conveyor belt. Filled cylinders then go to the check scale, where overfilled and underfilled cylinders are taken up from the conveyor belt. The underfilled cylinders are manually filled up to the appropriate weight and reunited in the conveyor belt for leak test. The leak test unit contains a small area filled with enough water to fully submerge the cylinders. As the cylinders pass through water in submerged position, a person carefully keep an eye to find if any bubble is seen when a cylinder is submerged. If bubbles are seen, it implies that the cylinder has a leak from which gas oozes out, which comes up to the water surface as bubbles. The person quickly marks the leaky cylinder by a rubber marker so that the particular cylinder can easily be identified and rejected before the cylinder goes for capping and sealing. The perfect ones who passes out successfully from all the tests goes for sealing. This is the sealing unit. Here the cylinders are capped and sealed before they finally go to the loading shed. This is the loading shed.